I don't know. I just know what's important to me. I think what's important to me is the feeling of connection that I have with other Jews wherever they are, whoever they are, and a sense of being part of a continuum of history that goes way, way back. You know, perhaps it's not a politically correct thing to say, I don't know. But I've sometimes said to myself that if I weren't born Jewish, I would want to be Jewish. It's so much more interesting that being Jewish, I feel that I have to be involved with the world. I have to be concerned about all kinds of things, that my life is richer as a result, more complicated, maybe, more upsetting at some times. But there's a feeling of connectedness that's hard to describe, but that's very fully felt.